Alright, in this video, I just replaced this. It was actually loose on the inner, and the outer was bad. I started on that side. It was good. It was tight. It wasn't loose. So I left that alone. These struts need to be replaced. They bottom out. And then I'm going to do the upper housing as well. So 17s, 12s up here at the top. Boom, that's it. All right, so those are the 17s. We're gonna take those out. This guy's pretty quick, not too much. Again, the struts are a really important part of the Geo, in like the what is it, the caster camber, or the toe end? Yeah, the caster camber. And then the upper housing, I don't think anybody ever changes those. That's not the right kind of spring compressor. That would work for one that's like on a heavy truck. In fact, used that on a heavy truck when I was working at Ford. It just doesn't work on that. So I went with the outside, the compressors that mount on the outside, and they work fine. I tried to make it work, but I need to just give up. And then I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and maybe it doesn't. I think I've taken those off before without compressing them, but then I thought about just go ahead and getting the compressor. It sure did take a long time for me to figure out that wasn't going to work. There we go. I think that's a 916. Now I'm going to be rebuilding the upper housing. That helps it to turn, to pivot back and forth. This was just everything in it was broke, and so by the time it gets to be this age, everything is broken. I bought this strut, I think, from eBay. I got the upper kit and the boot kit maybe from Rock Auto. Rock Auto is starting to want they're wanting you to send back cores, and that's just too much trouble. So and pay for the shipping as well. So on that that boot, yeah, they were just completely gone. I mean, there was no trace of that that bumper. I mean, the small part of that bumper goes up into the housing. And then I've just put a healthy coating of grease all up in there after cleaning that out. But I did test drive this afterwards. Oh man, it noticeably sits higher. It feels more, doesn't kind of rock and sway back and forth. And also on this white Geo, I did do the new form, the new way that I started doing the alignments, and it dries better than it has in a long time. So it feels really good, and I feel safe. Actually, I don't have the anxiety when I'm crossing another car or passing another car. All right, same on the other side. I don't know if I have it in this video, but I do take the one from the other Geo, that housing, off because one of the bolts just wasn't lined up the way it needed to be, and so those two will need to be rebuilt. Just waiting for some more. That's the worst side, actually. You can see how that boot has been chewed up. I guess that's the side that really bottoms out. And in fact, that doesn't hardly come up at all. That shock when depressed.